Practice set 2.6 question number 1. The product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence is 84 and find her present age. So her present age what? Let present age of Pragati be x. So when we assume present age of Pragati is x, so what given? Product of Pragati's age 2 years ago. 2 years ago means 2 years before. Now her age is x. So 2 years before what age is? X minus 2. And 3 years means x plus 3. From now 3 years. And its product is 84. Then find its present age. So let her age 2 years before is x minus 2. 2 years ago means before. So x minus 2. And her age three years from now. Now her age is x. So from now 3 years is what? X plus 3. Therefore, from given condition, now condition what given? This 2 years ago and 3 years product is 84. So write this x minus 2 and x plus 3 is equal to 84. Now here is 2 brackets. So 2 brackets multiplication do. X into x, x square. X into 3, 3x. X into 2, minus 2x. And 2 into 3, 6. Plus minus minus is equal to 84. Now this 3x plus 2x is x square plus 1x minus 6 is equal to 84. Now x square plus 1x minus 6 minus 84 is equal to 0. This plus 84 goes on minus 84. Now this minus minus plus. Therefore x square plus 1x minus 90 is equal to 0. So here product what want? 90 and addition what want? 1. So 10 nines are 90. 10 minus 9 is 1. So plus 1 want na. So here plus sign take and here minus. So write this x square plus 10x minus 9x minus 90 is equal to 0. So from this what common is? X is common and x plus 10. And from this 9 is common, minus 9. And in bracket x plus 10. We take minus common na, so here write plus is equal to 0. So x minus 9 and x plus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 9 is equal to 0 and x plus 10 is equal to 0. So x is equal to, this minus 9 goes on plus 9 and x is equal to minus 10. So look here, two values of x are x is equal to 9 and x is equal to minus 10. But we want to find age. Age never be negative na. Therefore, x is equal to minus 10 is not possible because age never be negative. Therefore, x is equal to 9. Therefore, the present age of Pragati is 9 years. Understand? Question number 2 is the sum of square of two consecutive even natural number is 244. Then find the numbers. So here are what? Two consecutive even natural numbers. So two consecutive even natural numbers. Now suppose we let first consecutive even natural number is x. Then another is what? X plus 2. Na? Here is even numbers. Na? So even numbers start from 2, 4, 6. Like these are the even numbers. So suppose x is 2. Then next consecutive number is 4. If first is 2, then second is 4. Na? So if second is what? Suppose we let x is equal to 2 is x. Then this is x plus 2. Na? 2 plus 2 is 4. Like this we suppose first consecutive number is x. Then another is x plus 2. Okay. So let the two consecutive even natural number be x and x plus 2. So what given here? Sum of square of two consecutive numbers. So from given condition, sum of squares of, so x square plus x plus 2 bracket square is equal to 244. Its sum is what? 244. Okay. So this is the formula of a plus b bracket square. Na? X plus 2 bracket square, a plus b bracket square. So this x square write as it is, and a plus b bracket square, that formula solve. That what formula is? A square, a plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. By this formula this solve. So first what? X square, a square means x square plus 2ab. 2ab means 2 multiply by x multiply by 2 plus 2 square is 4 is equal to 244. So x square plus this x square and 2 into 2 4x plus 4 is equal to 244. Now x square 2x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 244 is equal to 0. Therefore 2x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 244 is minus 240 is equal to 0. So this divided by 2. When we divide this by 2, then x square plus 2 to the 4. Therefore here 2x minus 2 on the 2 to the 4. 120 is equal to 0. So look here what? Here multiplication is 120 and addition is 2. So in which table this coming? 12 tens are 120 and 12 minus 10 is 2. So we want plus 2 answer. So here is plus and here minus. So plus minus minus and 12 minus 10 is 2. So x square plus 12x minus 10x minus 120 is equal to 0. From these two what common is x, and in bracket x plus 12, and from this minus 10 is common, and x minus x plus 12 is equal to 0. So x minus 10 and x plus 12 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to x minus 10 is equal to 0 and x plus 12 is equal to 0. So x is equal to, this minus goes on plus, and x is equal to minus 12. This plus goes on minus 12. Now we want natural number na, consecutive even natural number. Natural numbers start from 1. We all know natural numbers are start from 1, 2, 3. All positive numbers are natural numbers. Minus are not acceptable in natural number na. So therefore x is equal to minus 12 is not possible. Because minus 12 is not natural number. Therefore, x is equal to 10 and x plus 2 is equal to 2 consecutive number na, x and x plus 2. X plus 2 is equal to 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Therefore, 10 and 12 are 2 consecutive even natural number. Question number 3 is, in the orchard of Sri Madhusudan, the number of orange tree in each row is 5 more than the number of trees in each column. The total number of orange tree in the orchard is 150. Find the number of tree in each row and each column with the help of the flowchart. So in orchard of Sri Madhusudan, the number of orange tree in each row is 5 more than the number of trees. So first let the number of trees in each column be x. So therefore, here what given? And the number of orange tree in each row is 5 more than the number of trees. Suppose number of trees is x, then number of orange tree is what? In each row is 5 more than. 5 more than means more means plus, na? So x plus 5. So number of trees in each row is what? Number of trees in each row is equal to x plus 5. 5 more than the number of tree. Therefore, x plus 5. Now look, in column be x. Number of trees in column is x and number of tree in rows is x plus 5. So, total number of trees is what? Total number of trees is equal to this x and x plus 5. So, x multiplied by x plus 5 is the total number of trees. And the total number of here what given? Total number of orange tree in orchard is 150. Total number of trees is equal to 150. Okay. So from given condition, what condition is this? X into x plus 5 is equal to 150. X into x is x square plus 5x minus 150 is equal to 0. Now here addition what want? 5 and multiplication is 150. So which number is minus 150 multiplication? 15 tens are 115. 15 minus 10 is 5. So here is plus, here is minus. So multiplication is minus 150 and addition is 5x. So write this. So x square plus 15x minus 10x minus 150 is equal to 0. So from these two, what common is x? In bracket x plus 15, and from these two minus 10 is common and x plus 15 is equal to 0. So x minus 10 and x plus 15 is equal to 0. So here x minus 10 is equal to 0 and x plus 15 is equal to 0. So x is equal to, here minus goes on plus 10 and x is equal to minus 15. So now look, we cannot count number of trees minus 15. Na? We count 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. So This minus 15 is not acceptable. Therefore, x is equal to minus 50 is not possible. Because number of trees cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equal to 10. Therefore, the number of trees in each row is 10 and the number of trees in each column is equal to x plus 5 is equal to x is what? 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. Okay. So question number 4 is Vivek is 5 years older than Kishore. The sum of multiplicative inverse of their ages is 1 upon 6 and find their present age. So let present age of Kishore be x. Then Vivek is 5 years older than Kishore. Therefore, present age of Vivek is x plus 5. 5 years older means 5 years bigger than this Kishore. Therefore, Kishore age is x. Then Vivek age is x plus 5. Now here what given? The sum of the multiplicative inverse of their ages is 1 upon 6. So sum of multiplicative inverse. So multiplicative inverse of Vivek and Kishore age is multiplicative inverse means what? In the form of 1 upon. So Vivek age is x plus 5. Its multiplicative inverse is x 1 upon x plus 5. And Kishore age is x. So its multiplicative inverse is 1 upon x. Okay. So its sum is what? 1 upon 6. So write this. From given condition, sum of the multiplicative inverse. Therefore, 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 5 is equal to 1 upon 6. Now here denominator not same. So cross multiplication do. So x plus 5 plus this 1 into x plus 5 is x plus 5 plus 1 into x is x upon this x multiplied by x plus 5 is equal to 1 upon 6. Now x plus 5 upon this x into x is x square plus x into 5 is 5x is equal to 1 upon 6. So x plus x is x square plus 5 upon x plus x is 2x, not x square. X plus x is 2x plus 5 upon x square plus 5x is equal to 1 upon x. Now this upon goes on multiply. So 2x plus 5 is equal to 1 upon 6 multiplied by x square plus 5x. Now 2x plus 5 is equal to x square plus 5x upon 6. This upon goes on multiply. So 6 multiplied by 2x plus 5 is equal to x square plus 5x. So 6 into 2 is 12x plus 6 5s are 30 is equal to x square plus 5x. Now this all goes on here. So x square plus 5x, this plus minus 12x minus 30 is equal to 0. Now This plus minus is minus. So x square, 12 minus 5 is 7. 7x minus 30 is equal to 0. So here multiplication what one? 30 and addition is 7. So 10 threes are 30 and here and 10 minus 3 is 7. So here is minus sign, here plus sign because we want minus 7 answer. So minus 10 plus 3 is minus 7. So therefore x square minus 10x minus 3x minus 30 is equal to 0. From these two what common is? X is common and x minus 10. And from these two is 3 is common. Plus 3 is common. Then x minus 10 is equal to 0. So x plus 3 and x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 3 is equal to 0 and x minus 10 is equal to 0. So, x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to plus 10. So, edge never be negative. Therefore, x minus is equal to minus 3 is not possible. Therefore, x is 10 and Vivek age is, Kishore age is x and Vivek age is x plus 5. So, Kishore age is 10 and Vivek age is x plus 5. So, 10 plus 5 is 15. Therefore, write age of Kishore is x is equal to 10 and age of Vivek is x plus 5 is equal to 15 years. Okay. Number 5 is Suya scored over 10 marks more in the second unit test than that in the first unit test. 5 times the marks in the second unit test is equal to the square of marks in the first unit test. Find his score or in the first unit test. So here what? In second unit test, 10 marks more in the second unit test. He scored 10 marks more in second unit test than the first unit test. 5 times the marks in second unit test is equal to the square of marks in first unit test. So first what? Let Suyash score X marks in the first unit test. So then look, then 10 marks more in the second unit test. First he scored X marks in first unit test and second unit test 10 marks more than the first unit test. Therefore, he scored then he scored X plus 10. 10 marks more than first unit test. First unit test is what? X. Then second unit test is X plus 10 marks in second unit test. Therefore, 5 times the marks. Now here what? 5 times the marks in the second unit test. 5 times the mark in second unit test five times marks in second unit test is what 5 times means 5 multiplied by second unit test score is what X plus 10. So 5 times marks in second unit test we written as 5 into 10 X plus 10 and Here what given, 5 times mass in the second unit test is equal to the square of mass in the first unit test. First unit test mass is what? X. So square of mass of first unit test is equal to x square. Square of mass in first unit test x. So his square is x square. So here condition what given, 5 times mass in the second unit test is equal to the square of mass in the first unit test. So look, so 5 times mass in second unit test. So from given condition, this equal to 5 into x plus 10 is equal to 5 times mass in second unit test is equal to the mass in first unit test, x square. Understand? So solve this. 5x plus 5 into x is 5x plus 5 into 10 is 50 is equal to x square. So x square minus 5x minus 50 is equal to 0. This all goes on here. So here what want? Minus 50 and addition is 5. So 10 5s are 50 and 10 minus 5 is 5. Okay. So x square minus 10x plus 5x minus 5 50 is equal to 0. So from these two, x is common, x minus 10, and from these two plus 5 is common and x minus 10 is equal to 0. So x plus 5 is equal to 0 and x minus 10 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 5 and x is equal to plus 10. So x is equal to minus 5 is not possible. Minus 5 mass is not possible. No? So therefore x is equal to minus 5 is not possible. Mass cannot be negative. So x is equal to 10 and this first unit test score is x is equal to 10 and second unit test is what? X plus 10 is equal to 10 plus 10 is 20. This 10 plus 10 is 20. So right. Therefore, Suyash score in first unit test is 10 marks. 10 and in second unit test is 20 marks.